Moscow claims to have made advances on multiple fronts, targeting Ukrainian troops and infrastructure. Here's a 24-hour update from the battlefield. In the South Donetsk direction, Russian snipers from the Vostok group of forces claim to have eliminated Ukrainian troops. The attack reportedly followed the capture of Velikaya Novosyoka, with Russian forces targeting incoming reinforcements. UAV operators detected movement of an American-made Max Pro armored vehicle, after which snipers allegedly took out the personnel inside using Ors's large-caliber rifles. Further north, in the Kharkiv region, Russia's Zaporozhye group of forces deployed the TOS-1 A Solntsepyok heavy flamethrower system, reportedly destroying Ukrainian positions concealed in a tree line. Meanwhile, a captured Ukrainian soldier, Yevgeny Loss, has alleged that training by US instructors was ineffective, describing it as on-paper training. He claimed that American military trainers at a NATO base in Germany followed a set program without real knowledge of battlefield conditions.
We had young instructors, 25 years old, maybe less. Well, they are like graduates, or they are still studying, probably, in the Zhytomyr Military Institute or something like that. There, on the 10th, roughly speaking, in November, we were going to fly to Germany. There was also some NATO base there, a small one. We flew from Poland to Germany to Nuremberg, in my opinion. There we were taken on the bus for 2 hours. They have no idea what kind of war we have here, what we are prepared for.
In the Krasnoarmeysk direction, Russian forces claim to have seized a Ukrainian stronghold. Moscow says troops from the Atlant Battalion used drones to neutralize Ukrainian firing points before storming the positions. The assault reportedly ended with Russian troops taking full control of the area. Beyond the battlefield, Russia continues strategic aerial patrols. Two Tu-95 MS long-range bombers conducted a scheduled flight over neutral waters of the Barents and Norwegian seas, escorted by MiG-31 and Su-33 fighter jets. At certain points, foreign military aircraft reportedly shadowed them. Moscow insists all flights complied with international airspace regulations. In the Zaporozhye region, Russia's Sarich-2 UAV team reportedly guided artillery strikes on Ukrainian armored vehicles. The drones, designed for reconnaissance and fire adjustment, helped target and destroy an enemy column advancing toward frontline positions. And finally, Russia says it has launched missile and artillery strikes on Ukrainian military infrastructure, including airfields, ammunition depots, and drone manufacturing sites. The Russian Defense Ministry claims to have inflicted heavy losses, reporting up to 345 Ukrainian casualties in the past 24 hours.